Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's videos I'm going to show you on how to change the time format of your M4 smartwatch. Let's go! Hey guys, this is Josh here again and welcome back to our channel. This is just a quick tutorial guys on how to change the time format of your M4 Smart Bracelet. So guys, all we just have to do is we're going to long press this circle here. As you can see on the screen, it is in a 12-hour format because it's already 2:42 p.m. here in my country. And if you want to change it into 24-hour format, so you'll just have to long press this circular icon there and boom, as you can see there, it's already 14:43. And if you want to change it back to a 12-hour format, all you just have to do is just long press again this circular icon and it's already changed guys. Okay, it's just very easy on how to change your time format of your M4 Smart Bracelet. Alright guys, so if you have any questions, just comment down below. And if you like this video, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again guys, this is Josh and I will see you soon.